Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode here at Cleffers Garage. Today we're going to be working on the 7.3 engine that we're going to be putting in this here Bronco. This one's going to come out. I got another one on the ground all taken apart. We're going to put it back together. I got all the seals over the weekend, new motor mounts. It's going to be a great thing. After that, we're going to fill up the transmission, show you my new drive shafts we got after doing our measurements. Hopefully button this thing up. We might have it running this weekend. I know these are high expectations, but I'm going to try. Stay tuned. All right, here we have the engine in all of its glory. It's been, during the week, I was disassembling it, getting it ready for this weekend. So that's it, down to basically a short block. Got all these injectors out. Everything's off of it. We looked inside the bottom of it. It's looking pretty clean. We might wipe some of this dirt out. It's been in here about a week now, so I did my best to clean it off. It's a junkyard engine, so it's gonna be dirty, but I did my best. We got all of our gaskets and such here. This will be my first 7.3 that has exhaust manifold gaskets, so that's cool. A whole set in here. Got a dipstick flange because those are notorious for leaking and just being garbage. Injector O-rings. We got some up-pipe O-rings because these always leak. We don't want any exhaust leaks. Got a transmission mount. There's a few other things. But yeah, I think we're about ready. These are some of the parts I've cleaned: oil pump, harmonic balancer, coolant, whatever you call it. Drawing a blank because here, water pump, that's what it is. I'm also cleaning up some of these parts, so here's trying to get some of this RTV or sealant off of these bolts. They're just soaking in some kerosene. But yeah, move them over here, clean them up with this guy, rinse them off, dry them, and they get categorized so I know where the hell they go. There's a few parts I still have to clean, like high pressure oil pump, my valve covers. I figure out what brackets here I'm going to be using. Got new O-rings for these fuel lines because they're basically trash. I also got all new fluids here and 2 new batteries. Yep, so I got a ton of oil. There's transmission fluid for the transmission, obviously, oil filter, new batteries, and the essentials. Fluids for me, not just the truck. Calls for a torque around 2 ooga-doogas. finished with what we can do here on the engine. Everything else, like the engine mounts and the exhaust manifold, all has to come off the other engine. We got to put the injectors out of the old engine that's in the truck right now because they're single shots compared to the twin shots that came out of here. The exhaust comes up here for the turbo. We're going to get out of here. So our next goal is to pull this little bastard out. So yeah, this is the exhaust we need. Those pipes back here. We're going to need these. We're going to need these valve cover gaskets and the injectors underneath. So this is going to come out. I already strapped up the transmission, pulled all the bolts out.